Dark bedroom. Person lying in bed, eyes open. Clocked on wall shows 3 a.m. You wake up. Middle of the night. 1 second silence. Person picks up phone. Blue light on face. Then puts it down, frustrated. Ceiling fan spinning slowly. You're just lying there, staring at the ceiling. Brain won't stop. Body won't sleep. And you have absolutely no idea why. It's not stress. Bold white text, red strike through, unstress. Black background flash, it's not stress. It's not your age. It's not that you're a light sleeper. Your body is running an alarm system. Large, bold text. Slow, fade in. Your body is running an alarm system. And in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to shut it off. For good. Human body 3D model, rotating. Liver area, glows orange. Night sky, time-lapse in background. Here's what's really going on. Between 1 and 4 in the morning, your liver is working overtime. Filtering toxins. Processing hormones. Doing repairs your body can only do at night. Blood sugar graph line starts normal, then drops sharply at 2 a.m. Red alert icon, flashes. But if your blood sugar drops during this window, your body panics. It fires adrenaline to bring it back up. Adrenaline arrow shoots up, gives eyes pop open, gives 3 a.m. text appears. And that adrenaline rush, that is exactly what wakes you up. Heart beating a little fast. Mind already racing. Eyes wide open at 3 in the morning. 7 out of 10 people have no idea. White bold text. Stays 3 seconds. You're not broken. You're not anxious. Your body thinks it's in danger. And 7 out of 10 people dealing with this have zero idea that's what's happening. Real quick, if nobody ever told you this before, hit subscribe right now. This channel is where we cover the stuff most people never hear about their own body. The science simple version cortisol level graph. Normal equals peaks morning, low at night. Dysregulated equals peaks at midnight. 2 lines shown side by side. Your body makes a hormone called cortisol. Normally, lowest at night, highest in the morning. That's the design. But millions of people, their cortisol is completely flipped. Cortisol dysregulation, red, underline appears, held for 2 seconds. This is called cortisol dysregulation. Cortisol peaks at midnight. Adrenaline follows. And you're wide awake, even though your body is exhausted. Liver, healthy liver pink, then slowly turning dark, inflamed with fatty deposits now your liver. Most people don't know this, but your liver has its own internal clock. 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. peak detox time. It is doing its most important work right then. Overloaded liver gives stress signal, arrow gives brain, gives eyes open. But if your liver is overloaded from junk food, alcohol, stress, medications, it sends a distress signal to your brain. And your brain pulls you out of sleep. Overloaded liver equals broken sleep, large, bold, stays 3 seconds. Simple black on white. Overloaded liver. Broken sleep. Nobody connects these two. But they are completely connected. Step 1. Blood sugar anchor. Step 1. Large number. Clean, minimal design. Fades in. 3 fixes. Starting right now. Step 1. Hand placing small bowl of walnuts on nightstand beside a glass of water. Warm bedside lamp lighting. Eat something small, 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Not a full meal, just a tiny bit of protein and fat together. That's the combination that matters. 3 food icons pop in, one by one. Almond butter, walnuts, boiled egg, checkmark after each. Tablespoon of almond butter. Small handful of walnuts. 1 boiled egg. Any one of these, 30 minutes before you sleep, blood sugar graph stays flat all night. Green, stable line. No crash, no alarm. This anchors your blood sugar through the night. No crash, no adrenaline. No 3 a.m. wake-up call. And most people feel a difference within 2 to 3 nights. Step 2. Vagus nerve reset. Step 2. Same minimal design as Step 1. Step 2. This one takes 90 seconds. And it can change everything. Nervous system diagram, animation. Vagus nerve pathway from brain to stomach, glows blue. Your vagus nerve runs from your brain all the way down to your gut. When it's activated, it tells your entire body, you are safe, calm down. And your cortisol drops. Naturally. Inhale bar fills blue, 4 counts gives hold, 4 counts gives exhale, empties slowly. 8 counts. Here's how to activate it. Breathe in through your nose, 2 4 counts. Hold 2 4 counts. Breathe out slowly, 2 8 counts. Slow pace here. Do this 5 times. That's it. 90 seconds. Inhale 4 gives. Hold 4 gives. Exhale 8 inches. Animated counter. On screen. Sync to voiceover. Studies show this activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode, and can reduce nighttime cortisol by up to 30% with nothing but your own breath. Step 3. Liver reset. Drink. Step 3. Step 3. The liver reset drink. 2 ingredients. Takes 30 seconds to make. Close up. A spoon of apple cider vinegar poured into warm water. Pinch of cinnamon added. Gentle stir. Steam rising. Half teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar in warm water. A pinch of cinnamon. Drink it 20 minutes before bed. That's the whole recipe. ACV bottle icon gives supports liver enzymes / cinnamon icon gives. Stabilizes blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar supports liver enzyme function and improves how your body handles insulin. Cinnamon, one of the most studied natural blood sugar stabilizers in the world. Together, your liver works more efficiently. No midnight distress signal. Checklist appears one by one with tick sleep through night, wake up, rested brain fog, clears belly fat, reduces do all three, and within 7 to 14 days most people stop waking up at 3 a.m. They fall asleep faster, wake up with real energy. Brain fog clears. And because cortisol is finally regulated, belly fat starts shifting to person sleeping peacefully in bed. Soft morning light coming through curtains. Calm and still. Start tonight. You don't need to do all three at once. Just pick one. The breathing, 90 seconds, costs you nothing. Try it before bed tonight and see what happens. Person on phone, sharing something, smiling. Then families sleeping together peacefully. And if you know someone who wakes up in the middle of the night every single night, share this video with them right now. You might literally change their quality of life. If you want more videos like this, real science, simple fixes, no fluff, hit subscribe and tap the bell. New video every week. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one.